I can't believe the amount of stuff that they have in this house. An entire island for sale, an extra sexy house, and the ultimate hunter's dream home? What in the... Hey, what's up everyone? I'm real estate expert Mark Magstadt. Today we are going inside some of the most head-shaking homes on the internet. These you have to see to believe. North Cromwell Island in Montana. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 45,000 square feet. Just over an acre for your house. An acre is 43,560, $72 million. Obviously, massive acreage. Crazy part is you have a 45,000 square foot unfinished house. You're paying 72 million, but that's gonna be probably another couple $1 million just to finish that up, if not more, depending on your tastes and whatnot. So, I mean, the cool part, it's like over 340 acres, 3 miles of shoreline. You have like a dock, probably looks like a 40, 50, 60 foot boat. The guest house looks totally cute. You got some wildlife deers, so wow. I mean, this would be the ultimate like retreat if you did a bunch of cool cabins and had like a wedding venue type area, but at $72 million, I don't know how you're gonna be turning a crazy profit. Absolutely beautiful though. Would love to go out and check it out. I don't think I'll be able to buy it, but I do love it. I mean, this property was bought in the 80s by Robert M. Lee, who was a antique arms collector, a trader, you know, kind of just did a bunch of stuff, but obviously made a bunch of money, started building this house. But yeah, back in the 80s, I wonder what he paid for that. I absolutely love the idea, but it seems a little too crazy, too remote, kind of in the middle of nowhere, so I don't know how they would get electric. Obviously, you do some septic, solar, but yeah, this is definitely a unique scenario that's gonna take some planning and organizing, and it's not for me, but let me know in the comments below. Would you buy North Cromwell Island Road? Big old Alabama estate, 21,000 square feet, 37 acres, 8 bedroom, just 3.1 million. Look at this thing. Big old grand entrance, got the big front gate. Nothing says money like a big old fun gate. Lots of yard space. Oh man. You know, it looks like they have a pond. Whoa, as you go in, you know, the typical got your orange walls, your red walls. We have a red room, a green room, a brown room, a blue room, but you know what they like more than their color palette is their animals, and mounted and stuffed animals. So pretty wild. And as you work your way around, we got, looks like a wild boar, looks like a mountain lion attacking something, zebra. Wow. This guy's done some African safaris for sure. And then I love you go to the primary bedroom, he's got the back stretcher, probably from packing all the animals out. Oh geez, see yourself a crocodile in the back corner. But they got the bed up top. That's where the you know, the guests go, just drop the bed down. Yeah, I mean, as you go through, I don't think I have ever in my life seen more animals. And there's a hose in the shower, so I don't know. They dragging the dead carcasses in there and rinsing them off. Then they got the nice little outdoor spa. The pool, that definitely could have been drained or cleaned. Obviously, this house needs some updating. They need to just bring it to today's world. And then we're probably gonna need about 75 of those animals moved and get a little bit better pictures when the pool's not green. And who knows, this bad boy might sell. 3.1 million, got a lot of space. Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments below. All right, so we got the house full of adult prizes. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,500 square feet for just under $900,000 in Camarillo, California. Yeah, decent curb appeal. You know, you got the palm trees out front, nice entrance, kind of the ranch feel. Looks quite normal. You got the pool table, you know, game room, basic kind of old school kitchen with the black appliances, and definitely, well, then you got the stripper pole in the middle of the room. Luckily they have a fan over there and the nice leather couch. You know, it looks totally comfortable. And then, dang, got a chain hanging from the ceiling. There's a wolf painting up in the top left, and then, man, like a massage table. They got all kinds of crazy stuff in here. Yeah, I'm a bit confused about this room. I don't know if it's a medical clinic, if they're giving, you know, free physicals or whatnot. Let me know in the comments below what the heck you think this room is used for, right? You get to the red bed. Looks like you got some sort of chains and stuff up top. Then you go to the next bedroom and you see like there's a cute little stuffed animal on the bed. Yeah, these guys, they're definitely getting a little crazy. I don't know what the heck. I'm gonna have to look into that. Got the cool motorcycle in there. This looks like something from Cirque du Soleil. Nice little back area, barbecue. Some cool beach cruisers. Yeah. Yeah, then you got that tent in the back. What the heck's in there?
What the hell? Somebody want to explain to me why I'm the one in the dirt?
This house actually is the epitome of Zillow gone wild. Let me know your thoughts. I don't really have much to say about this house. Let me know in your comments below. Would you go over there if your friend invited you, and what would you bring for a drink? All right, the old stuffed animal house, 16070 Santa Maria in Virginia, baby. 1.9 million, bunch of acres. Looks like a big, beautiful property. Man, the yards that these people have are absolutely incredible. Great curb appeal, kind of that grand entrance, you know, as you work your way in. I don't even really know what the heck is going on here. Just a bunch of random rabbits, and I can't even tell what that is at the front door. I'm hoping it's Easter time and they just have some random stuff up. Yeah, I feel like I transported into Alice in Wonderland's like rabbit hole. I don't have a clue what's going on. You have a couple statues, you have, you know, a bunch of bunnies, you have the pinks, the really beautiful grand table with more random stuff all over it, dolls. You got this cool styly office, looks all clean, fun, modern. You got the big old bowl there in the corner, you know, cool little book arrangement. But yeah, as you work your way through the house, I mean, just the amount of stuff. This is just like a perfect example of, you know, you have a specific taste, you love certain things, but trust me, that doesn't mean that everyone else is gonna love that. So
what the hell is going on?
Even as you work your way through the kitchen, just the amount of stuff that's on the counters and just the big stuff. If you're gonna sell a house, just tuck that stuff away. We have the London room, we have the Handsy room, we have the pink room, the bunny rabbit room, the doggy room. They got I think it's Corvette, but they have probably 250 stuffed animals on the wall. I mean, what is it? Is this an arcade? You go there and you can win a prize on the wall? If that's the case, boom, I'm in. But if this is just a collectible wall, I just can't believe the amount of stuff that they have in this house. Beautiful property, 1.9 million, big square footage. For one, I don't want to buy that furnished, and I don't know how long that's going to take for those people to declutter. Any of you guys going to buy this? Let me know in the comments below. All right, be honest. Which house was the most extreme to you, and which, if you had to, are you buying? Let me know in the comments. I can't wait to hear your answers. And if you see any other bizarre home listings out there, please definitely send them my way. All right, if you want to see more shocking homes, make sure you binge watch the entire playlist. They're all so far out. And please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. That way you're in the know every time I post another video. Thanks so much for watching.